Hey, viewers and subscribers, family and friends. This is Troy with a new construction video. It's been a long time since I haven't seen a construction done this clean and solid. This video shows real house construction, strong concrete work, prepare block laying, clean arch, no shortcut. From the inside room to the veranda and the external wall, every step is done the right way using traditional method and real labor. If you love watching satisfying construction, house building progress, or solid concrete work, this video is for you. This is not a luxury construction, this is real construction. Let me know in the comment, would you live in this house? What part of the building impressed you most? Like this video if you appreciate quality construction. Subscribe for more real building progress video. This is a 3-bedroom house. My mistake. This is a 2-bedroom house. Clean and neat construction work. This was done by Mali the builder, my builder. Look at the arch and the veranda or the front porch. They are neatly designed and placed. This is the guy, the builder. Yes, take a good look at the builder. So he's saving some granite sand because he's dressing the door jambs and the window jambs. But we gotta take a tour of the inside of this house. So as you can see, work is still in progress. The sieving of granite sand, the sieving of cement taking place. But this video is not about the sieving of sand and cement and mixing. We want to see what the interiors look like. So as we approach the front veranda, neatly designed arch, that's a good look. Then this is the living room, big space, 2 big windows for light, natural light access. And then we enter. I'll take him back a look at the veranda. Then we enter the dining room. Good spacing as well. So the dining room is next to the living room. Then we have the kitchen. This is the kitchen, 2 windows, door, good spacing as well. So this house is not small and chopped up. No, spacing. So as we approach the passage way, and we take a left turn into the bathroom. wall, flash, rough flash, not granite as yet. Then we move forward to the first room, 2 windows. This room is 12 by 14. The 2 windows and the doors line up with the passageway. Then we move along and we make a turn into the master bedroom. The master bedroom is 20 by about 18 with 2 reasonable size windows for light access. The master bedroom also consists of a bathroom and a walk-in closet. So door jambs are in dressing process. That's the bathroom. This is the walk-in closet. By now you can see that this house was neatly designed and neat work was done. Not seen any fault. So that's a tour of the 2-bedroom house. The builder still sieving his sand with his mosquito mesh to get the finest grade granite in. So what you think about this video? If you think this video was educational or interesting, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. It's been a while I haven't made any video like this, but based on my movements, sometimes I'm not close to the construction field. Tell me what you think about this video. What the builder could do to make it better. Share this video with family and friends. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I will answer as much as I can. So this is just additional videos showing work is inactive on the construction site. If you want the builder number, email me at lagabens@gmail.com. That's LAGABENZ@gmail.com. If you have a building and you want some insight and ideas, send me some photos and video and we can chat. That's what we do. Just remember to share this video with family and friends. Leave a comment, like and subscribe. I'm out. See you in my next video. What's that the one may come up with the things that are going on here on? Like all like sound of jerk pan or sitting.
My party day down the Saturday, the Macam. I want to keep last night and I don't know. You don't leave your party? You don't leave your party? General, yeah?
Yeah, sir.